Y'all, it's Thanksgiving Day, and do you guys know what I would rather be doing than cooking in the rain?
No, what?
Nothing.
It's really nice, isn't it?
I love to cook in the rain. In fact, I could do a whole week's worth of cooking if it rains on me. Over here, Bobby is going to be making garlic and rosemary oven roasted potatoes. Jamie's working on my marinade for the Honey Game Hens.
No, Mama, I like the idea of the Cornish hens because, you know, we eat lots of turkey anyway. That's not just a Thanksgiving Day thing for us. So I like the idea.
To me, the greatest part about it is nobody's fighting for their favorite piece.
Right.
All right, Jamie, what are you doing with that spoon?
It's just as easy to use a spoon as a peeler. It's
Can
just
I try
that easy.
that?
Give it a try.
I would never have thought to use a spoon on ginger. That's great.
It's simple. It takes so long to prepare it and so quick to eat it. This is really where you have a chance to visit and talk about things, because this is the long part of it. You know, you spend hours and 10 minutes everybody's done, especially Thanksgiving. Football's on, it's time for a nap. So this is really nice for us to get to spend this time together.
That's a great point, Jamie.
Yep.
All right, so let's get that marinade going because the potatoes are done, so let's get to cracking.
This is simple.
Okay.
This is just going to be a half a cup of honey. I've got a half a cup of soy sauce. About 2 tablespoons of this oil.
What kind of oil are you using?
I'm just using the vegetable oil, just the standard. And this is our ginger and garlic that I got together a little bit earlier.
Smells great.
It's good. And about 2 tablespoons of fresh orange juice.
All right, do you put zest in that, or are you just using the...
No, I'm going to put a little bit of zest. No matter where you get the juice from, nothing gives you the flavor of a fresh orange like the tiniest amount of zest. You'd think an orange and soy sauce would be the last 2 things that you put together, but, well, we're almost there now. You can taste it. Get the flavors mixed up together good. God.
That is
good,
so on the money.
Yeah.
Michael's going to love it because, you know, he's got a sweet tooth like this big.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'm just going to pour that over it and in it. And... All right, now we're going to let this just sit in the refrigerator and marinade. And I'll go to the fridge and I'll twist them and turn them because I want to make sure that marinade gets in them in every crevice.
How long did you marinate those for?
Well, I would marinate them for about an hour. If you'll put this one in the refrigerator, I've got another pan ready too. Son, can I get over here and wash my hands, please? It's just very, very important that you don't cross-contaminate, especially after handling poultry. All right, so we've got these hens ready. We're gonna put them in a 350 preheated degree oven. We got that on 350, Bobby?
Yes, ma'am.
And we're gonna bake these for 1 hour so you can see how short your time is compared to a big old turkey. All right, so we're gonna just transfer them over in here. And you'll notice that I had these sitting on the counter. I've taken them to room temperature because they will cook better if they don't have to start out ice cold. And we're just gonna pour the marinade on top of them, and we're gonna baste them. We're gonna go to our oven every 15 minutes and baste them, cooking them for 1 hour. All right, son, if you'd get that door open for me. This pan, I'm using a cast iron pan, and it's real, real heavy.
Gertie's not gonna miss the dinner bell.
You see?
No, it is heavy.
It's heavy as lead.
Gosh, it smells so good. Yeah.
All right, and how about Bobby's potatoes? You want to get those out?
Ooh, I did good.
They're perfectly done. Bobby, you want to grab the platter and we'll...
Taste?
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. They are beautiful, aren't they?
Turned out good.
All right, Jamie, look over there on the stove. I've cooked some wild rice, and I'm just going to dump this rice on the platter. Oh, doesn't that look
awesome?
Out of this world. Look what a beautiful platter that makes.
Where do you want to plant these birds, Mama?
Y'all are dying for a taste, aren't you?
Yeah, we're going...
Well, let's see if... Wait, look, he looks like he's missing a leg anyway because he's buried down that rice.
Want your kitchen shears?
No. Oh, my goodness. Do y'all want to taste?
I
do want to taste.
Mmm.
Is it good? You look like it.
It is so good.
Mmm. Mmm.
The honey.
Oh, good grief.
Mmm.
Mm. It's so tender and juicy. Jamie, try the potatoes.
Let me have one.
All right, you can't leave that on the platter, son, or Papa will know we've been eating without him.